Stovetop 3-cheese mac and cheese, and the only seasoning you're gonna need, that King Creole blend. I'm using sharp cheddar, pepper jack, and real Parmesan cheese for this mac and cheese, y'all. Make sure you shred your cheese. Don't get none of that bag stuff. It don't melt the same. While you're doing that, cook your noodles till al dente. I'm using some elbow macaroni, but use what you want. Over low heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it melts, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Combine that to create your roux, and then season it with that King Creole blend. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Once that's well combined, go ahead and add 1.5 cups of milk. Once everything starts to come to a boil, go ahead and add your cheese a handful at a time. Add a little bit of cheese, and then give it a mix so it can melt. We're creating our cheese sauce for that mac and cheese right now. Once you get all your cheese in there, it's time to add the macaroni to the party. Go ahead and throw that in there. Make sure it's well coated. If you like it a little thicker, then keep it like this. But if you want some more saucy mac and cheese, just add a little bit more milk. Add a little bit more King Creole blend, and just like that, 10 minutes, you got mac and cheese. That's good, shorty.